The first step of the process is to insert the optical fiber in the parts while it is still located in the parts tree. After completing this step, open the package and remove the parts and then slide them down the fiber optical out of the wafer now. Next, remove the protection sleeve and also slide it down the fiber. Next, load the fiber in the fiber holder. Close the fiber holder and strip the fiber coat with a coat stripper, exposing the raw glass. Next, it is necessary to clean the fiber. Clean the fiber in one direction only, continuing to clean until the fiber begins to squeak. Now place the fiber holder inside the KL21C fiber cleaver. Here, the fiber will be cleaved to a perfect 90-degree angle. Now close the lid and slide the blade to the other side of the cleaver. Take the fiber holder and place it in the KL195 fusion splicer. Now return to the parts tree and remove the pre-polished factory ferrule and place it in the ferrule holder and place the holder on the other side of the fusion splicer. Close the lid, and then the automatic fusion splice begins. For this splice, the estimated loss is 0.06 dB. Now open the lid of the fusion splicer. Open both the fiber holders and then remove the fusion splice. At this point, slide the protection sleeve in place directly over the fusion splice and insert the splice in the heater. Close the heater and press the yellow button to begin the process. At the end of the heating cycle, the KL195 will sound a beep alarm. Now open the heater and remove the splice. Then slide the loose parts to the end. Next, attach the inner housing over the other end. At last, snap the outer housing over the inner housing, and this completes the entire process.